Look for a clear, intact wax ring impression and full flange contact where the toilet sat to confirm a proper wax ring installation. When you inspect the flange area after toilet removal, first look for a continuous ring-shaped residue matching the inner and outer diameter of a wax gasket. A correctly installed wax ring often leaves a yellow or light brown impression and sometimes shows the outline of a plastic flange insert or horn. If the residue is gray or looks like compressed composite material, that can indicate a non-standard product or previous heat exposure. Check that the floor flange is seated flush with the finished floor and that the wax impression contacts the entire flange perimeter without gaps. Any missing segments mean the seal was partial. Feel for a uniform thickness around the ring. A properly compressed wax ring will be even and not squeezed into just one side from uneven bolt torque. If you can see the wax still adhering to the closet flange or the toilet horn, inspect both sides for matching impressions to confirm the ring was centered. Finally, document photos and measurements of the flange level and the ring impression so you can decide whether to reinstall or replace the flange or use a different sealing method. Common mistakes include assuming any wax residue is adequate when gray or crumbly deposits are actually old, degraded wax. Replace the ring and clean the flange to solve this. Another issue is using a wax ring that is too thin or a misaligned toilet, which creates an off-center compression and leaks. Remove the old ring, check flange elevation relative to the finished floor. Use a properly sized, thicker ring or one with a plastic horn and center the bowl before torquing bolts. Third, people neglect to inspect flange condition and bolt placement, which lets the seal fail even with a good wax ring. If the flange is cracked, corroded, or below floor level, install a flange repair or extender and verify bolt alignment before installing a new wax ring. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by helping us find local professionals and list projects that need work. We also host a discussion community where we exchange installation tips, troubleshooting advice, and contractor recommendations.